The mother of late singer Ilerioluwa Aloba, popularly known as Mohbad, Bosede Aloba, has raised an alarm over the alleged kidnap of her son, Adura, by some unknown gunmen. According to eyewitnesses, Adura was picked up by some unknown gunmen suspected to be police officers immediately after leaving the magistrate court in Ogba, Lagos, on Wednesday afternoon. Reports that Adura was in court after he had issues with Damola Inde over a phone he sold to him. A case that escalated into legal action against actor Yomi Fabiyi, Damola Inde, and others. After Adura was picked up, his mother, Bosede Aloba, was seen in a car lamenting about her son's disappearance while seeking for help. She accused Yomi Fabiyi and Sam Jojo of being behind the abduction, alleging that Adura was taken despite being in an unwell state. She cried out, "Please help me, people of God. It's Yomi Fabiyi. They have taken my son. I don't know where they are taking him." While this new update has called for concerns and has generated mixed reactions online, we'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.